how to permanently delete Instagram account in 2024. So guys, that's quite simple and interesting and easy. But before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have liked the video and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you. So guys, first of all, you'll have to open up the Instagram application. Then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right and tap on three lines on the top right. Once you're on this page, click on settings and privacy and then tap on account center on the top. Then you will have to click on personal details just under password and security and then tap on account ownership and control. And then you will have to click on deactivation or deletion. Then tap on your username that you want to delete the specific profile. Now there are two options and you'll have to choose the delete account. That it says that when you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes and followers will be permanently removed. Click on continue and then select any reason, it doesn't matter, click on continue. And then you will have to click on your enter your password and click on continue, and your Instagram account will be scheduled for deletion. So that's how you can easily delete your Instagram account in 2024. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And